Oh man, I like your shirt. You like anime? Appreciate it. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory based on the shirt. Yo man, I like it too. But like, don't you just want to go to Japan? Cause like, that's where all of the anime culture is. That sounds like paradise, dude. Yo, what is wrong with you? There's nothing wrong with me. No. No, you know what? You're mean. You baka. What? Did you just say it? You can't be a real person. You can't. I feel offended. I am a real person, okay? Just like Goku, Naruto, Luffy, Saitama. Saitama's such a jokester, you know? You are mentally insane. Wow. This nigga for real has fake memories of him bonding with a drawing. This nigga is sick. No, I'm not mentally insane. I was just kicking it with Goku a few days ago. Like, we were training a lot and eating a lot of food. Like, that's some Goku activity. You are one of a kind. Huh. You know, have a great rest of your day. Just don't try to include me in the rest of it. Please. What is that supposed to mean? You're weird. You're strange. You're peculiar. You're odd. You are weird, man. Are you roasting me? I guess. This guy, he's too powerful. Hey, let's meet here in 2 weeks at 3 p.m. I challenge you to a roast battle. What? What are you talking about? And don't forget, all right? Okay. I'll train so hard so I can become stronger than you in the world of roasting. I'll become the top dog. Nigga, where did you get the coat?